Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast.
Okay, so the first thing that you wanna do is to select a project, create a new timeline that I used to, and use project settings off, and format, and I wanna my video have this resolution here. The frame rate that I will use to is 30 and create, playback, timeline, half, and then go to the edit, file, import your media, and you drag the project here. And as you can see, this is the video. Okay, so we crop the video here. I see that the audio here is very low than here. So we gonna up the voice and here, so that will be the same. And now we have this.
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast.
So the first thing that we wanna do is add track. Here, write some template and go to title, text, and we crop at every sense that I am talking about. And we are ready. So the next thing is press the first text here. And the first word that I'm saying is this, okay. We need to choose the right template that MrBeast chooses. So we're gonna up and go to this value here. And we're gonna go to stroke, we need this at 8, and this here, we need this to zoom right here. And you will do the same thing that I did at the first text. So when you went here, you will have this result.
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast.
The next thing that you need is press the text, go to video transition, and I'm gonna use the blur because I like this transition here. So, and this we will do to the other texts. And as you can see, this is the video.
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast.
So now we will need the audio that needs to combine this, and we go sound effects that I have downloaded, and now we need the swipe. We press here, we will lock this to delete this, and then crop it here and lock the others because we don't want to change all the project, and we load this because we will need the viewer to hear my voice better. We are gonna copy this and paste it at every template that we put it here. And now we have this.
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast.
The next and important thing that we must do is to press here. We are going to Fusion and Shift bar tracker. We have this. So we are gonna put this to the center of my head. Now we need to press here, drag forward, but we will do from there, and we wait finish, and then we go again at the start and we press the backward. Then we go to operation, match move, and background only. But when we press the start, we are gonna see this.
Today I'm gonna show you
It's something that is a problem for us. So we shift bar transform this here and we zoom in. We need to do at the center. And the last thing that we need is crop here the clip that we wanna zoom at my finger here. We go to the Fusion, shift bar tracker and point at the center of the finger. We are trying to small this. This is the background that shows the blur here. Put this at the start, forward, and then backward. We are gonna take this logo of the MrBeast, put it in, and put it here. We zoom out this, and we point it at my finger. I did some color grading here, and the finish line is this.
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to edit like MrBeast. So, this was the video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope that I helped here. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel for not missing the upcoming videos that I have for you. And I will see you at my next video. Peace.